We have today Samsung Dishwasher, little more than 1 year old, and something wrong here. When we try to turn it on, it's all the LEDs on a user interface blinking, all the indicators blinking and flashing. So we're gonna check what's happened here, what's wrong, and let's do it. So we discovered something wrong here is main control board, so we're gonna replace it and put new one. So repair is finished. Now we're gonna check if everything is good. Now it's no errors, no crazy flashing lights. We can choose every cycle. Smart control, turn off, turn on, heavy, normal. So we did it.